Hey yo, I'm playing Subway Surfers today. Might take a second to load because my data was kind of crappy. I guess it's working pretty well now. This is Vincent doing this one, not Kenny. Why is it coming up with Uber? I haven't looked up anything like Uber. Alright, so I got TagBot, and I'm trying to make it above the bronze level. Probably not gonna do it though, because it's been a while since I playing. Like the lumberjack board. Like the double jump, but I haven't been able to get it. Yeah. Hurt my finger, so my dominant one, so it's really hard to do this right now. But Subway Surfers is a good game, so I want to play it on the channel. Oh shit. What did I get? Come on, wish for lucky. Oh, piece of crap. Yeah, that was a real crappy score. Right now I'm at... Oh, what? One of them got ahead of me? Oh, that sucks. I thought I was doing pretty good at the beginning. Babar, I will get you sometime. Talk about someone who has way too much free time, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, so let's continue with this. I'm gonna give it 3 tries to gain a level. If I don't, well, that just sucks. You know what? Oh, what? My screen flipped. That was bullcrap. Gonna add some music to this. Or some shady by Eminem. Nah. Got a lot of music on here. Oh, one of my favorite songs. Really? By 21 Pilots. I don't think it's... Your grandpa died when you... How about this? Oh.
thought of lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on your son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a spark, cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your inspirations to shreds. Another cog in the murder machine. They set out to discuss the living out of this. They can kill us as long as someone will live. So talk in your post, I'll talk about it.
That sucks. That was Teenagers by My Chemical Romance. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye. What does that do? How does that do?